Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add WP forms to your pages on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using images to supplement this tutorial because I do not have the option of installing plugins. However, this should suffice, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get right into it. Firstly, what we're going to do is, of course, if you don't have it, go to the marketplace. For the plugins, go to Wpforms, search for it, and here you have it. It's free if you have the business plan or higher, so just upgrade and activate it. If you don't already have it, just install, activate the plugin, and then you'll have a Wpforms tab over here in the sidebar right in between comments and feedback, which should look something like this. As you can see, right below comments, it should be apparent like this. You'll have this sort of form icon, and when you hover over it, you have your all forms where you can see the list of all your existing forms, or you can add new, which is what you want to click. Once you click that, you'll be able to select which form template you want to use. You can use blank, or you can use whichever of the many templates that you can find, and they are all very well made and useful, so make sure to make good use of them. Then you can go over into the editor to actually edit the forms and create a form. And once you do, then you can either well, first you should modify the general settings, the notification settings, and the confirmation settings. And once you do, you might find a link with which you can share it, and then you'll have the option to embed that link in the traditional way on your WordPress page, or you can add a WordPress forms what's it called, block. Yeah. So if I go into my editor, go into appearance, and then into the editor, what you need to do is pretty much just go into one of your pages, click on the plus to add a new block, and then just search for WP forms. Now, as you can see, I don't get any results. That's because I do not have WP forms, but if you do, you'll have the option to click on this, and once you do, you'll have the option to select whichever form you would like to show. And once you're done with that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.